Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and cancel your subscription app for Curology. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and this without any further delay we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, what you're gonna do, as you can see, I'm over here in this app.curology.com where you're gonna find your official website. For instance, to show you the full step, I'll log out first. You will find this is the home page, and you're gonna go ahead, tap on this login option, enter your email address, tap on this login now, enter your password over here, and again tap on login. This will simply access your account, right? So as in my case, I haven't purchased any of the plans right over there, but if you go to this section, you can simply go and scroll down. This will show you this option called add to your box or cancel anytime. Once you have tapped on that, if you tap on this add to your box, then after you have tapped on it, this will simply show you the payment page. Once you have tapped on that option, this will simply give you a follow-up questions where you have to enter the reason why you are actually want to cancel or quit that subscription. Once you have done so, then you can tap on this confirm cancellation, which Curology will ask for you to confirmation reason. Once you have tapped cancel anyways, then you will be able to cancel a particular subscription that you have been using from Curology itself. So this is the way, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.